someone cry for help?
Kid! It's dangerous!
I have to help! Don't be scared. I'm here. Come on, just a little more. Hold on. I won't leave you. Help! Come on, just a little more. Ethan! Ethan! Move away! It's too dangerous! Mom, I can't leave him! You saved him, Ethan! You're safe now. Don't worry, you're coming home with us.
Let's get him warm.
You did it, buddy!
He's safe now, Dad. You'll never be alone again.
Let's take good care of him.
You're safe now. Let's dry him quickly. You're gonna be okay. He's feeling better already. You're gonna be okay. He's feeling better already. You're gonna be okay. He's feeling better already. Take your time, little guy. He's getting stronger. Good job, buddy!
He already trusts you.
Hi, buddy!
I think he likes you.
Good morning, buddy!
Looks like he's part of the family now.
Good job, buddy!
He's getting faster every day.
That's a perfect picture!
Buddy is my best friend.
You have a kind heart.
I'm proud of you, Ethan.
We'll always be together, buddy.
You're best friends forever.
Shake, buddy! Great job, buddy!
Great job, buddy!
You're so fast!
He's amazing!
You're my best friend, buddy.
He never leaves your side.
Thanks for staying with me.
He's your little helper.
Thanks, buddy.
He's such a smart dog.
Buddy? What's wrong? Okay, buddy, I'm coming! I'm coming! Dad! Mom, wake up!
What's happening? There's smoke! We have to get out! Oh no! Stay close to me. Don't panic, everyone. We need to leave the house right now.
I can barely see. Ethan, hold my hand and don't let go.
Buddy knows the way. Let's follow.
Stay close. Follow Buddy.
Keep going, we're almost there.
Good boy, Buddy.
Buddy found another way.
We're almost outside.
Good job, Buddy.
We're safe. Keep moving.
The fire is getting bigger.
Buddy saved us.
Everyone stay back. We'll handle this. Thank you for coming so fast.
Buddy, you saved us.
Thank God we're safe.
Buddy saved our lives.
He's our hero.
Buddy, you're a true hero today.
I'm so proud of you, Buddy.
Good boy, Buddy.
I saved Buddy, and Buddy saved us.
Kindness always comes back.
We'll love him forever.
Buddy is a true hero.
He saved all of us.
Keep this memory forever.
I always will. I love you, Buddy.
He loves you too.
Ready? Big smiles.
This is my favorite picture. Hi, Buddy! Hi, Buddy! You're a hero! He's everyone's friend now. You'll always be my best friend.
Some heroes have 4 paws.
No matter what happens, we'll always stay together.
That's a promise you'll never forget.
One kind choice changed our lives forever.
Every hero deserves a loving home.